Welcome to the walkthrough video of WSDesk. If you are watching the walkthrough video, then I can assume you already know what WSDesk is all about. This is just a quick tutorial to take you through its setup. Once you install the plugin by Add New, then Choose File, you can find WSDesk among the installed plugins. Now go to the Tickets section, where you can find all the tickets organized on the basis of solved, unsolved, and pending. When you click on the Quick View, you find the last updated message. Now go to any other tab like Unsolved, which is currently empty. To change the status of a ticket, go to some existing ticket. In the Action tab, click on Any Status. Now you can see that the ticket has been added under the Pending tab. You can also update the ticket status collectively by selecting the required tickets and clicking on the required action. Now tickets are updated to their new label. Then, as you can see, these tickets are unassigned. Consequently, they come under the unassigned category. Then you can read the entire ticket conversation between the agent and the end user. And if you want to assign this ticket to someone, you can do it this way. Here you can see the assignee. Next, go to the Settings page, where you can set default assignees, default tags, ticket raisers, etc. You can set the default assignee from among the following. Default label would be given to tickets with no assigned label. You can restrict who can raise the tickets. After adding your settings, don't forget to save your changes. In the Ticket Fields page, you can drag and drop the fields as per your requirements. Ticket fields appear on the support form to users. You can remove any field from the existing ones. Next, you can add a new field and select its type and other settings. Let me show you how this would look like. You can even edit any of the existing fields. After you have added the field, go to the website to view what the form looks like. Here you can see the newly added fields. Now, if you feel you don't really need these fields, then remove them by drag and drop. You can also remove the field completely. Then you can edit the existing fields. And after the adding and editing, don't forget to click on the Save button. Next, there's ticket labels. Ticket labels are the categories of the tickets you create to organize the view. Just like ticket fields, you can add your own labels and edit the existing ones. You can give colors of your choice to the labels. Now, there's two options available. Let me choose the second one. After saving it, you can see the label listed. Now, go to the Ticket section and see the new label appear in the Action tab. But since we had chosen the second option, the new label doesn't form a new category here. Now, let's go back and choose the first option. Now you can see that a separate category is added in the ticket view. Next, there's ticket tags. You can remove any tag you do not want. You can add new tags as per your requirements. For example, let's add FedEx. We can select from among the existing posts. After saving, you can see the newly created tag has been added here. Next, you can edit the existing tag. This process is quite similar to editing labels. Then, after you are done with the required settings, you can change the appearance too. Let me show you how it would look. Here it is. You can see the changed width. You can also edit other fields like titles, and now see the changes getting reflected in the form. Now, if you click on Change Your Existing Request, you would find it empty because you haven't raised any ticket yet. Then go to the Agents page. Here you can add agents, decide their roles, rights, and associate tags with them. Currently, there's no agent. In order to add an agent, a user is required. Let's add a user. Once the user is created and made an agent, you can edit his profile. You can decide his roles and tags. Then you can view the agent's report. Here you can see the details of the number of tickets assigned, solved, unsolved, and pending. There's also this performance graph to give you some insight. This is the report page, where you can find reports of any or all of your agents over the past 7 days. The email page would contain all your email-related settings. Now coming to the email pulling part. You can set the email address and the email name and customize the email structure. You can style how your automated reply would look. You can set the email format for an agent's reply. You can decide which fields to be displayed, like ticket ID, agent's name, etc. You can add your IMAP email here. Next comes the ticket import part. If you have been using WSDesk, then with this function, you can easily import all your tickets. So that's all for this simple and easy to use plugin.